Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video on installing VS Code on your Windows operating system. So like if you ask me why VS Code, why not others? There are many like Python code editors and IDEs are present, but like PyCharm and VS Code are the winners, and it is used by many developers across the world. And these are very easy to use and installation, and it supports many languages such as like JavaScript, Python, Java, like C++, Java. So and also VS Code gives the same feeling as other IDEs, but I need to install the extensions to use those features. But yeah, we will see how we are going to install and make use of those extensions, and we'll also execute a sample program after installation. So let's get started. Right now I'm on the official website of VS Code, and as I am having a Windows system, so I'm going to install Windows. So automatically it is going to download here, and yeah, if it's not downloading, just click on this link and it is going to download for you. So it may take some time. It is like around 88 MB. So I'm just waiting it. So it's downloaded. I'll just click on this exe file. So I just follow the steps. So I just want to add into the path, use it as global registered. Okay, so it's done. I just deleted the .vs code, and in this folder let's create the first um, Python file. Test.py is an extension from Python file. So um, before that I just want to see, okay, we are here, and we'll check Python version. So it's been detected, but if it is not detected for you, you can go here and you can just click on this extensions and write Python. If you want to install any extension, you just come here and just install it. So yeah, it's been already installed, and for me, so by default from microsoft.com, and uh, so I just, yeah, I'm using it right now. So uh, so what we will do is we'll just write a first hello world print statement, control S to save the file, and then to execute, to run the program, write Python and the file name test.py, and you can see the result. So that's it for today in this video, and see you guys until next time. If you like my videos, please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching, and see you.